Hello beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. How are you guys doing? Hope you are good. We have this beautiful modern haircut that is so beautiful and is a style you can try at home, and it will really frame your face beautifully. One beautiful thing about this hairstyle is that it's a youthful haircut that is low maintenance. It's a style that is ideal for women who prefer a quick styling routine, when they want to go out. So this style works well with your various hair textures, and they are a style that will make you look younger. Another thing I love about the styles today is that they are haircut that looks good on everyone, and it's a style that offers that modern twist on your classic cut, and it will always provide more versatility in styling. And one thing I love about the style also is that it's a low manageable haircut and it's also stylish. So you can see how this haircut looks good on this beautiful woman, and it's one of a haircut that will really captivate anyone that comes around you, because you can see how eye-catchy it is, and it will always give you that nostalgic vibe we women want when we are out there in that occasion. So this is a style that is popular this season, and it's a haircut that you really need to try. Whether you have the thick hair or the thin hair, this is a cut for everyone to try. And please don't forget to use a heat protecting spray and that round brush to really style the hair upward to give you this finishing touch that you're seeing. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Please stay locked to Winnie Styles for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.